All right, we're back on the 69 Camaro today. Got to get the throttle pedal mounted, and looking forward to firing this thing up. Pop's got most of the wiring all wrapped up in here. So I'm going to help him get this throttle pedal mounted, the drive-by-wire system. So just got to mount it somewhat reasonably somewhere. We got these 3 mounting holes. There we go. But I think I got some spacers over here, so let's see what we got. These guys should work pretty good. All right, got our tools. Let's see what we can make happen. All right, the pedal is mounted. It's all tightened up. See, we got room underneath for the carpet, full throttle. Should be firing up in the morning. All right, guys, we're gonna fire this rod up today. Got to hook up a few hot wires under the dash, put some fuel in it, make sure we don't have any fuel leaks, and fire in the hole. All right, got the battery hooked up. That all works. Said the headlights are closed. Hideaways. Got the hideaways on there. They're working. Hit the headlight. Well, what do you know? We got a leaky fuel fitting. So we're going to change this guy out, and then we're going to attempt to fire it up. Alright guys, after a few leaks, and we ended up replacing this fuel pump. It was cracked right there. It's fuel filter return deal. Now we've got fuel pressure. It's time to fire in the hole. First fire up, here we go. Yep, gauges are up. Ready? So the gauges all go off once it's trying to start. Alright guys, so we got it to fire up, but as you heard, it sounded like it had a pretty gnarly misfire. So I started looking, and this harness is actually plugged in backwards. So these 4 were flipped. They have this tag on it, so that's the only one that indicates anything on it. This is the only one with a tag. The other 3 don't have it, neither do those 3. Only the one on this side. So I started looking and figured out Pops had this needs to either go on hole 1 or hole 8. So he had it on 8 back there, but this one was actually on 4. No, 7. 7. It was on 7 back here. So flip that, get it up here to 1, because this is 1357 odd side. And now it fires up and runs smooth. Check it out.